Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to animate text along a path in After Effects. So I've already launched AE and I'm going to just go ahead and save my projects in a folder that I've already created on my desktop. I'm going to call it text along a path and I'm going to save it in that folder. Next I'm going to create a new composition, text along the path. And I'm gonna leave it at these settings at 5 seconds and just continue on. So the next thing I'm gonna do is to write some text. Path. And I'm gonna show you two ways that you can animate this text. The first way is once you have your text, make sure the layer is selected. That's very important. And then you can click on your shape tool and literally drag like a elliptical or square or whatever shape you like. Next, you want to go to your text panel and you'll see that now if you click on, you have a mask option. So I'm going to actually close this up, go to my text, and now I also have a path option. Once I open the path option, I can choose mask 1, which basically puts my text inside of the circle. I can reverse that so the text is outside of my circle. I can also change where I want this text to appear. So if I want it to appear here, I'll just move it up by changing the first margin. And now I can go to a different position in time. And maybe I'll just do it like right here and simply animate this along. You can also animate the last margin too if you wish, but both of these would give you the same result. So that's one way of animating it. Actually, I'm going to go back. It looks like I could have done it a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. Another way that you could animate the text along the path is kind of more of a freestyle. So I'm going to make a new layer, call it text along the path freestyle. I'll just move it down here and maybe I'll just make the text a little smaller, and maybe I'll just copy it and paste it a couple of times, maybe twice. So now I'll go ahead and just make it this time, use my pen tool or letter G, and then I'll just go and make a path, like a freestyle path. And this time I'm going to go ahead and just open up my text option. Under the path option, you'll see that I have a mask path. Again, I can just come and change the alignment, the free margin to the beginning. And if I wanted to move this, I can move it this up, I can move this down. So you have a lot of creative freedom in terms of how you want to create your animation. So this time I'm just going to create my first margin. Then actually maybe actually I'll just move it out of the frame completely. Maybe go to a different place in time and you can have this type of an effect. Oops, I think I did not take it all the way out. There we go. So this is how you create a basic animation with text on a path, either on specific shapes or as freestyle.